Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Power Point Chapter 3 Mid-Level 1 Teamwork. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLabIT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assessment, EXP22 PowerPoint Chapter 3 Mid-Level 1 Teamwork. Here is a project description. As you can see that now we will move to the question number 1. Start PowerPoint, download and open the file name EXP22 PPT Chapter 3 Mid-Level 1 Teamwork. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this PPT file from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is insert a clustered bar chart on the slide 3. Can replace the spreadsheet data with the following, beginning in cell A1. Attribute percentage of the respondents, and next are parts. First we will go to this slide 3. Click on this and cluster bar chart. Cluster bar chart are now inserted. You will have to add data in these cells. First we set the attribute. And problem solving, and attribute 4 is communication skills written, and the fifth one is leadership, and sixth attribute is strong work ethic. In the series 1 we have replaced the percentage of respondents ability to work in team. This one, simply you will have to copy and paste these in the corresponding cells. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is make the following modifications to the chart and apply the style 3 chart style. Style 3 chart style. Then remove the legend chart style. And horizontal axis and grid line. First we remove the legend, then chart style, horizontal axis and grid lines. Uncheck these legend, chart title and grid lines. Uncheck the grid lines. And the next part is select the vertical axis and change the font size to 1650, font size black, text 2 and apply bold. Select this. Go to the home tab and select the 16 font size and color is black. Change the data label font size to 16. To 16 font size. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is insert a basic Win a SmartArt graphic from the relationship category on slide 4. Type the following list items into the text pane. The items are listening, questioning, and so on. In this slide, go to SmartArts and SmartArt. The text pane, listening, questioning, persuading, respecting, helping, sharing, and participating. First we copy the listening, then questioning, then preceding, preceding, and same type the remaining skills of the teamwork, respecting, helping, sharing, and participating, pursuing, and the next one is respecting, and the next is helping, next is sharing, and the last one is participating, this one. All the skills needed for the teamwork are added. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is make the following changes to the SmartArt graphic. Apply the SmartArt intense effect style. This one, and apply the effect style. Then change the color to colorful range, accent color 2 to 3. 2 to 3. This one. And change the font color text for all shapes to white background 1 and apply bold. Then apply the effect style, and the last one is change the font color. Same, you will have to change the font color for all the skills. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is on slide 6 insert a 3 column. Insert 3 columns and 9 number of rows. And the next part is column 1, merge the cells in row 1, 2 and 3. Merge these cells, so the design tab, layout and merge these cells. Column 1, merge the cells in row 4. Merge the cell layout, then click on merge cells. Merge the cell rows 7, 8 and 9. Row number 7, 8 and 9, we will have to merge these. Question number 6 are completed. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses, MyLabIT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.